The Rubik's Cube is solved by algorithms, so you will need to know the movements of the Rubik's Cube. There are 6 movements, and they are up, down, right, left, front, and back. Now these 6 movements can be either clockwise or counterclockwise. So we have the notation: up will be a U, and that's clockwise, or up invert will be up twisted counterclockwise. The same with down, clockwise and counterclockwise. The same with right. We go right clockwise is R, and right counterclockwise is R1. The same with left. If we go left, it's clockwise, or counterclockwise is L1, which is that way. Same with the front. Clockwise is F, counterclockwise is F1. And same with the back. Back is clockwise is B, counterclockwise is B1. White is always opposite yellow, red is always opposite orange, and blue is always opposite green. Okay, let's start solving the Rubik's Cube using the 3-step method. The first step is to solve layer 1. And so what you do is we need to solve for a white cross. So the easiest way to do that is to just flip the cube over to its opposite side of yellow. And this is called the daisy method. We have the yellow center, and we need the 4 white squares surrounding the center, yellow. So let's go look for those. Here, there. Okay, we've got the daisy. Yellow center, 4 whites around the center. Okay, now that when you have this, look at your down color, that's orange. Okay, orange, you have to find orange. There's orange. Now flip this 2 turns, or 180 degrees. Next, go to the next color. Blue, it's already in the right spot. Turn it 2 turns, 1, 2. Red, it's in the right spot. Flip it around, 1, 2. Green, this is in the right spot as well. Flip it around, 1, 2. Now we have the white cross. Okay, next in solving the top layer, we need to solve for the 4 corner pieces. We've got white, green, and red. So that's what piece has to go here, the white, green, and red. So we got to look for that. Where is it? White, nope. White, red, blue, okay. White, red, green, okay. This piece needs to go over here. So what we have to do is get this piece lined up right here, right below where it needs to go. So we get it, flip it around, put our white piece back up, and this is our first algorithm. You simply go right invert, right, down, and boom, it's in place. Green, red, white. Next, we go to the next corner. Which one needs to go here? It's the white, red, and blue. So we need a white, red, and blue corner piece. White, red, and blue. Okay, there we go. Line it up right below where it needs to go, and simply go right invert, right, down, right invert, right, down, right invert, right. Okay, now it's solved. It's in its proper place. Now we need to find the white, blue, and orange piece. White, blue, and orange. It's in the right place, but in the wrong order. That's okay. Just bring it down here and we simply go right invert, right, down. It's in the right place. White, blue, orange. The only thing is we messed this up, so move that out of the way, bring this back. There we go. Okay. Now we have one more piece to solve for the top layer. It's a white, orange, and green piece. White, orange, and green. Flip it right below. Same algorithm. Right invert, down invert, right. Okay. Now we have solved the first layer.